to Akshit School for inaugurating such a nice event. And this was very fun, like fun actually, like playing
Right, sir.
all the parents and all. So yeah, it was a nice experience.
I think you remember can your childhood, I think so.
Yes.
I did very like from 6th standard to 10th standard.
Okay, 6th standard to 10th standard. I think sir went back to the 6th standard
Yes.
age. Congratulations.
Time to come back to my home.
Sure, sir. Sure.